A plant-based diet has garnered much attention in recent years for its numerous health benefits. This way of eating is known to promote heart health, lower the risk of certain cancers, reduce inflammation, and even improve weight management. For adults and elderly individuals, adopting a plant-based diet can be particularly advantageous, as it supports overall well-being, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and enhances vitality. However, despite its many advantages, one of the significant concerns for people following a plant-based diet is ensuring adequate intake of essential nutrients, particularly vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in the body's functioning, especially for maintaining the health of the nervous system, producing red blood cells, and synthesizing DNA. As we age, the body's ability to absorb nutrients can diminish, and this is particularly true for vitamin B12. Deficiencies in this vitamin can lead to fatigue, weakness, cognitive impairments, and even irreversible neurological damage if left untreated. Given the absence of vitamin B12 in most plant foods, individuals following a plant-based diet must make a conscious effort to obtain this vitamin through alternative sources. One of the primary sources of vitamin B12 is animal-based foods such as meat, poultry, fish, dairy, and eggs. These foods are rich in vitamin B12, but for those following a plant-based diet, these options are eliminated. This creates a challenge, as vitamin B12 is not naturally present in plant-based foods. To address this issue, it is crucial to incorporate fortified foods into the diet. Fortified foods are those that have been enriched with additional nutrients, such as vitamin B12, which are not naturally found in the food. This is one of the most reliable methods for ensuring adequate vitamin B12 intake in a plant-based diet. Fortified foods have become increasingly common, especially for individuals adhering to vegetarian, vegan, or plant-based diets. Plant-based milks, such as almond, soy, and oat milks, are often fortified with vitamin B12. A cup of fortified plant milk can provide up to 50% of the recommended daily intake for this vitamin. Breakfast cereals are another excellent source of fortified B12. Many cereals, especially those marketed as vegan-friendly or plant-based, have vitamin B12 added during the production process. Additionally, nutritional yeast, a popular ingredient among those following plant-based diets, is a rich source of B12. Nutritional yeast not only provides a cheesy flavor to various dishes but also serves as an excellent source of vitamin B12, making it an essential pantry item for many plant-based eaters. Another food group worth mentioning is fermented foods. Some fermented plant-based products, such as tempeh, miso, and sauerkraut, may contain small amounts of vitamin B12. This is because certain types of bacteria involved in the fermentation process can produce vitamin B12. However, the amount of B12 in these foods can be inconsistent and often insufficient to meet daily requirements. Therefore, it is important to note that while these fermented foods can contribute to vitamin B12 intake, they should not be relied upon as the sole source of the nutrient. For individuals following a plant-based diet, supplements are another key strategy for ensuring adequate vitamin B12 intake. B12 supplements are available in various forms, including tablets, sublingual drops, and even injections. While food sources are an essential part of the equation, supplements provide a reliable and consistent way to obtain vitamin B12. For adults and elderly individuals, who may experience a reduced ability to absorb nutrients from food as they age, vitamin B12 supplements are often recommended. In some cases, healthcare providers may suggest higher doses of vitamin B12, especially for individuals who have conditions that impair nutrient absorption. This can include gastrointestinal issues such as Crohn's disease or celiac disease, which can affect the body's ability to absorb vitamin B12. Certain medications, such as proton pump inhibitors and metformin, may also interfere with B12 absorption, leading to deficiencies. For individuals with these conditions, higher doses of B12 or even injections may be necessary to restore optimal levels. Regular monitoring of vitamin B12 levels through blood tests is recommended for adults and elderly individuals on a plant-based diet. Deficiencies can develop gradually, and early intervention can prevent long-term health complications. It is particularly important to monitor B12 levels in older adults, as they are at an increased risk of deficiency due to factors such as reduced stomach acid production, which affects the absorption of the vitamin. Vitamin B12 deficiency can present with symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, mental fog, and tingling or numbness in the extremities. If left untreated, it can lead to irreversible neurological damage and cognitive decline. When considering the importance of vitamin B12 in a plant-based diet, it is essential to emphasize that this nutrient is vital for more than just basic health. It plays a significant role in maintaining cognitive function, mood stability, and energy levels. Adequate vitamin B12 intake is also necessary for proper red blood cell formation, preventing anemia, and supporting cardiovascular health. Because of these far-reaching effects, ensuring an adequate intake of B12 is especially important for adults and elderly individuals who may be dealing with age-related health concerns. A plant-based diet is not just about avoiding animal products but also about ensuring nutritional balance. Adults, particularly older adults, require careful attention to their diet to ensure they meet all of their nutrient needs. A plant-based diet can certainly support optimal health when properly planned, but without sufficient vitamin B12, individuals are at risk of developing serious health issues. Therefore, it is essential to monitor intake and work closely with healthcare providers to ensure sufficient B12 levels are maintained. For those following a plant-based diet, taking supplements is often the easiest way to guarantee adequate vitamin B12 intake. These supplements are available in several forms, including oral tablets, sublingual tablets, and injections. The choice of supplement depends on individual needs and preferences, as well as any underlying health conditions. It is advisable for adults and elderly individuals to consult a healthcare professional before starting supplementation, particularly if they have pre-existing medical conditions that could affect absorption. In addition to vitamin B12, there are other nutrients that require attention in a plant-based diet. Vitamin D, calcium, omega-3 fatty acids, and iron are just a few examples of nutrients that may need to be supplemented or carefully included in a plant-based diet. A balanced approach that includes a variety of fortified foods, whole plant-based foods, and supplements can help ensure that all nutrient requirements are met. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds can provide a wide array of essential nutrients when carefully planned. Older adults may face additional challenges when it comes to nutrient absorption, making it even more important for them to follow a well-balanced diet. For example, vitamin D deficiency is common among older adults due to reduced sun exposure and the body's decreased ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight. Calcium, too, is a nutrient that needs to be consumed in adequate amounts to maintain bone health, especially in older adults who may be at risk for osteoporosis. Fortunately, many plant-based alternatives, such as fortified plant milks and leafy green vegetables, can provide these nutrients. The key to a healthy and sustainable plant-based diet is variety. Incorporating a wide range of foods ensures that all essential vitamins and minerals are consumed in adequate amounts. It is also important for adults and elderly individuals to engage in regular physical activity, which can further support overall health and help manage nutrient absorption. Engaging in weight-bearing exercises, such as walking or strength training, can help maintain bone density and support metabolic health, which is particularly beneficial as we age. In summary, obtaining sufficient vitamin B12 in a plant-based diet is entirely possible with proper planning and supplementation. Fortified foods, such as plant milks, cereals, and nutritional yeast, provide reliable sources of B12, while fermented foods can offer small contributions. For many individuals, supplements are the most reliable method of ensuring adequate intake. Regular monitoring and consultation with healthcare providers are essential to prevent deficiency and ensure long-term health. With the right approach, a plant-based diet can support vibrant health throughout life, including in older adulthood.